everyone, my name is Parneet Kaur and I am the student of the first batch in the Tarun Sani lectures. Recently I had given the examination of the Baba Free University of Health Sciences, in which I had got the 30th rank, and today I am here to share of some of my experience that how I was able to got this much rank. So let's start with the initiation. When I had started the coaching in the Tarun Sani lectures, like as other students, I also need the guidance of the teachers, and that guidance had provided by the Tarun sir and his teams in very accurate manner. That he had instructed us that how to complete the notes and how to give the test. I had followed his each and every instruction, and I had attended all the live classes on the daily basis. I had completed my all the notes within the classes, and in the end of the day I had made the revise of the notes, because all of this kind of the instruction had given by all the teachers and the Tarun sir. And in the end of the week, the Tarun sir had conducted the test, and sometime he had given the timing of that test, and sometime he had conducted the surprise test enhance our ability that how we are able to do the questions in which we are not able to attend. So surprise test helped us in this way. So I had given all the tests, that whatever test he had conducted I had given all the tests, although I had prepared for that test or not, but I had given all the test of that. And by doing all of these things in the collective manner, now I had selected in the government job examination. So this was my experience of getting this much rank and selected in the government job. So in the end, I am very thankful to all my teachers in the Tarun Sani lectures, because all the teacher had given the very important role in the selection of the every student. And along with that, I am also thankful to my parents and my God, because the grace of them, I am able to do this kind of the things. And in the end I want to say this thing, and if you want to achieve something in the life, you must have to follow your teachers, then you will be definitely able to get your desired results. So I am hoping that my this little video will be very helpful to you for the preparation of your examination. And in the end, आपका बहुत बहुत आभार. Thank you so much.